So the grandkids think that she makes them from scratch. And like they were going on about them, and I was like, I'm gonna have to tell y'all the real truth. They're in a bag. And then you just put a lot of chocolate chips in them. You don't need to measure those chocolate chips. You just 2 handfuls.
What about 3 handfuls?
Yes, double it up.
They knew that, didn't you? Tell him what we put in our bowl.
These are our ingredients for our brownies. 1 package of Hershey's triple chocolate fudge brownie mix, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons water, and 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. The directions. Heat oven to 350 degrees. You're next gonna grease the bottom of your baking dish. Next, combine water, oil, eggs, and brownie mix into a bowl. In addition, mix in chocolate chips. Then spread mix into pan. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean.
Winter break is a great time to slow down, make memories, and enjoy being together. It's also a chance to keep learning flowing through everyday fun activities. Cooking a holiday dessert, making a craft, or writing cards is more than just family fun, it's learning in action. With cooking, kids read recipes, they're practicing the same literacy skills that they learn in the classroom, like following steps, understanding sequence, comprehension, and building vocabulary. Measuring ingredients, using fractions, comparing amounts, and calculating cook time bring math to life. Also, baking is real science at work, as kids see how ingredients interact, mix, and change with different temperatures and time. Learning can take place all around the home. Writing holiday cards or letters helps practice writing skills and helps kids show off their creativity. Crafting and gift wrapping also build fine motor skills. Decision making and problem solving, also imagination, and you can use the items already in your home. Cooking and crafting can be a little bit messy, but don't worry about making mistakes here and there because that's part of the learning fun. So this winter break, make the most of every moment. Whether you're cooking, baking, crafting, writing, reading, celebrating, or exploring our community, make every moment a chance to have fun learning with your children. You'll be surprised how much joy they'll have just through everyday activities. From Hamilton County Schools, we hope all of our families have a wonderful and safe winter break.
Happy